Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to harvest those Detroit Dark Red Beets. Also going to harvest some more sugar snap peas. But first, let me show you these green beans that I grow. They look really good. Let me show you. And these green beans are doing really good. And lots of green beans in here. We'll be harvesting these soon. And in here is the Roma 2 bush, the Contender, and the Provider bush. There are some really big ones in here too, and I think I probably should harvest them. This one here, this is really big. Pick it. Hand. Let's see if I can pick this with one hand. Got it. Nice size green bean. There's another one in here too, but these are looking amazing. And as long as this bed holds up until next year, my plan is to do corn in here next year. So we'll see. Maybe corn and green beans in here. But this is what we got. There goes a weed. That up out of here. But these are looking really good. And the sunflower here is doing its thing. I don't know what kind of sunflower this is, but I'll get seeds from it once it blooms. And these are good. Look at this big green bean here. That one is big. I'm gonna pick it. So that's how this green bean bed is looking. Really good. All right, so in this are the Detroit Dark Red, the Bull's Blood, and carrots. But also, there are tons of, well, not tons, but there are many grasshoppers in here too. And here's one here. And this thing, these grasshoppers, they've been eating the leaves. And so it's definitely time to harvest. He jumped all the way over there. But let's harvest these and we'll go from there. All right, so it's beet harvesting time. Go for this one here. And the difficult thing about this is we planted so many carrots, and I don't want to break the carrots and pull up a baby carrot. So pull this up here. This leaf, this might have to get okay. Try not too low. The first beet harvest. This is a good size one too. Set this right here. So this one is going to be a pretty big one here. Let's see. Again, not trying to pull up any carrot. Another good sized one. Now this one is pretty small, but probably could have stayed a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take them. Another good one. Now this one is a big one here, so let's see. How big this one is here. Oh, that's the Now this one could have stayed in there a little bit. This one is the Detroit, no, this one is the bull's blood. Kind of small, but This is the first one I've seen, actually. So now let's go to that side and see if we can find any. So there are a lot of these that are still a small size, but they're growing to be bigger. Now this is a carrot right here. Let's see. I don't know. Let's just see. Well, and I think that's it with the beets here. This one. This is small. All right, so this is the harvest. This is these are a few carrots that I picked prematurely while picking the beets, but they look okay. These are those Detroit Dark Red Beets. Those look really good. Quite a few of them too. Nice size. And then in here are more than a handful of sugar snap peas and 2 really big long green beans. And these have gotta be the provider bush beans, I assume. But that, you all, is my harvest for today. So, a quick video. That's my harvest for today. And until the next video, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. And until the next video, peace.